the first day of Christmas, Papa J gave to me a blessing from the mountain. On the second day of Christmas, Papa J gave to me 2 prayer cards and a blessing from the mountain. On the third day of Christmas, Papa J gave to me 3 prayer mats, 2 prayer cards, and a blessing from the mountain.
On the 4th day of Christmas, Papa J gave to me 4 anointed t-shirts,
3 prayer mats, 2 prayer cards, and a blessing from the mountain. On the 5th day of Christmas, Papa J gave to me 5 books of love, 4 anointed t-shirts, 3 prayer mats, 2 prayer cards, and a blessing from the mountain.
On the 6th day of Christmas, Papa J gave to me 6 Bethesda water and the water of life.
5 books of life, 4 anointed t-shirts, 3 prayer mats, 2 prayer cards, and a blessing from the mountains. On the 7th day of Christmas, Papa J gave to me 7 anointed candles for my light to shine on. 5 books of life, 4 anointed t-shirts, 3 prayer mats, 2 prayer cards, and a blessing from the mountain.
On the 8th day of Christmas, Papa just said to me,
Come, let me impact you for a new beginning and a fresh start for 2022. It's time for new beginning. When I fall and face the storm, darkness come, my God, I will not shine again. But Papa J came and gave me the oil and water for new beginning. Yes, I have a father, and I know my 2022 is sure. Yeah, it's 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 sure. New beginning, sure. Yeah, it's sure. Yeah.
5 books of life, 4 anointed t-shirts, 3 prayer mats, 2 prayer cards, and a blessing from the mountain.
On the 9th day of Christmas, Papa J gave to me 9 miracle songs.
5 books of life, 4 anointed t-shirts, 3 prayer mats, 2 prayer cards, and a blessing from the mountain. On the 10th day of Christmas, Papa J gave to me 10 blessed hankies. 5 books of life, 4 anointed t-shirts, 3 prayer mats, 2 prayer cards, and a blessing from the mountain.
On the 11th day of Christmas, Papa J gave to me 11 anointed wristbands.
5 books of life, 4 anointed t-shirts, 3 prayer mats, 2 prayer cards, and a blessing from the mountain. On the 12th day of Christmas, Papa J gave to me 12 oils of success. Wait, Papa J said, partners, before you cross over to 2022, you need an amen to all your prayers. You need to go higher. You need success. You need mercy to go with you into the year 2022.
Wow, I am Prophet Jeremiah Mutufufei. Once again, the hour has come again. Partners, are you a partner? The Lord spoke to me. We call it all of success. And what kind of success are you looking for? Success. When a man succeeds in life, everything about life of a man begin to change. So this time around, you can see it's very powerful. It's very, very powerful. What is that thing that been delayed in your life for 9 years, 9 months, 9 days, that refused to go? Anything that been delayed in your life, this all for success. You need it. Hey, you have been asking for help for one another, but this time, this all is ready for you. This all is for partners only. I hear you, the partners. This one is called a gift. I am coming as a gift. I want to give you a gift. This gift is the gift of spiritual bonanza. You need this because you are too much. Partners, you people are too much because I so love you. But I'll tell you more about this. Say, listen, it's for partners only. Come. Don't wait at home. The hours come. I have nothing to give to you, but what I want to give to you is better than money. Long life is there, prosperity is there, and also success at the end.